I'm hoping this looks nice. We have 20% on this camera, so hopefully we can make this through the video. Hey everyone, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, what are you doing? Hit the subscribe button down below and let's get started. So guys, we're doing another video about YouTube because I'm a small YouTuber. Well, not even small YouTuber. Again, I'm a fetus. If you didn't watch my video, go check that out. I'll link it down below. As you can see in the title, we're going to talk about being a small YouTuber and trying to get that engagement, you know, learning more about SEO. If you don't know what SEO means, I didn't know either, okay? I was just sitting around trying to understand what that meant. It stands for Search Engine Optimization. You don't know what it means, neither do I, and we're gonna learn together today. As a small YouTuber, why is it important for you? Why is it important for a small YouTuber to, you know, get engagement? Well,
no one knows who the heck we are.
There's tons of bigger channels out there, and there's so many different new channels growing every single day, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, there's probably millions, right? And I'm just one of them. Why do you want to hear from me? You know, like what makes me different from every other YouTuber out there are doing the same thing? Well, I'm a small YouTuber and I'm learning the same time as you are as well. Whoever's sitting here watching this video, you guys want to learn more, and here's my tips on what I've learned so far being on YouTube for the past 5 months. SEO, search engine optimization. It's important for small YouTubers to utilize this to their best knowledge as they can, because you want to be able to get recommended by YouTube on like the first page of any search. So how do we do that? How does a small YouTuber stand out from other channels out there that have millions of subscribers and millions of views? You want people to be able to find your videos, right? So keywords, figure out your keywords for your title, your tags, your description, like pretty much everything. You want to make sure you put keywords out there for users to be able to search up your channel and your videos. So doing your keyword research. There's so many different websites out there that will show you options of tags. So I recently figured out the YouTuber called Billett. He knows a lot about SEO and he has businesses that utilizes that a lot. So yeah, I'm not going to tell you too much about him because, you know, free marketing for him. You're welcome, Jacob. Check him out. I recently ran into him in a live stream somewhere. Yeah, he does a lot of live stream. I think he does it like every weekday and it's pretty dang interesting. It's not the sub for sub live stream, so make sure that you don't go in and say sub for sub, I fammed you, I heart you, I hand clapped, or not hand clapped you, I shook your hand or anything. You go in there, make sure you market yourself, talk about what your channel is about, and sometimes he does reviews. So his feedback Fridays or on Fridays, and he usually looks at channels and gives them tips on how to better their channel. He recently did mine and he let me know a little bit more on what I can improve on, and I did it. Make sure you check out his channel. You'll probably see me here and there on his live streams as well, so I'll catch you in his live streams. I learned a lot from him and other YouTubers as well. Keyword research. So what the heck does that mean? Making sure that you do your research and making sure that your tags and your titles are long trail type keywords. So when I say long trail, I don't mean a whole sentence or a whole paragraph as your tag or anything, or your title, but I'm saying keywords that would make you stand out and actual words that people are searching up. For an example, I wouldn't put DIY knit blanket. You want to make it long and how it stands out, or how someone would type that into a search engine. They would search how to make a DIY knit blanket out of yarn or something. Yeah, that's a little long, but it's very specific and something that people would search up for. That would be in your tag as well as your title or in your description. You're helping search engines categorize your specific type of keywords. Making your title interesting and using those keywords are very important, because small YouTubers like myself, I've done that with my other videos before, where I just title my videos whatever, you know, I want it to be. Like, I really didn't think too much of it. I thought that, hey, you know, as long as I have it in the description bar or something about what I'm doing in my video, that's good enough. But no, the title is actually really important, because that's what people are seeing. Other than thumbnail, the next thing that people will look for is your title of your video. Yes, I understand that bigger YouTubers have that advantage where they can title their videos whatever because people know who they are already, but as a small YouTuber, you want to put specific things that would make your videos stand out. Make sure that you really do your research on what you should title your videos so it stands out, where it's searchable, where YouTube would recommend your video. It's not just important to put tags into your videos, but it's important to put tags in your channel as well. YouTube will use that to categorize what your channel is all about. When I was talking about like adding tags at first, I was just thinking about, oh, you need to add tags to your videos. But it's not just that. You need to add tags to your channel. You want YouTube to understand what you're about, what your channel is about, so they can recommend you to other, you know, viewers out there that are looking looking into that type of niche or those specific videos. So make sure you put that into your channel as well. I didn't have that. I recently added that. Make it specific. Make it using keywords again. Don't just put DIY. You need to put like how to make DIYs on a budget. Do yourself crafts at home. Like things like that. Long trail titles is important. TubeBuddy. There's another website called uberssuggest.io where they'll give you tag recommendations where you can add into your videos as well as your channel. So how does YouTube rank your videos? How does YouTube even rank like small YouTubers? I'm tiny. When I say I'm tiny, I'm like tiny. A little channel. Well, that's why you want to stand out. Many channels out there that have so many views on their channels and they have like 1,000 subscriber count. And why? Is because their videos are being recommended and people are actually watching their videos because of the SEO. YouTube really looks at your history and looks at your channel as a whole. Make sure your engagement is up. Making sure that your subscriber is in a good place. I mean, again, don't do the sub for sub because sub for sub could definitely hurt your channel. So just be aware that yes, I understand that it will help you during that time, but YouTube purges. If you are not engaged in the channel or if people just sub to you and because they want you to sub them back, the next day YouTube will know that, or you know, down the line YouTube will start purging. They don't watch your videos or they're not engaged in your videos. Subscribers are important, but your watch time hours are important as well, okay? Because you need what, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. I think the watch hours are a lot harder to get than subscribers. So that gets me to engagement. How do you get your viewers or your subscribers to be more engaged with you? Well, your first few seconds, I would say maybe 30 seconds to a minute of your videos are very important to kind of like draw in those viewers. So you want to pull them in. Like I want you to be pulled into my video and stay with me throughout the whole time because you're interested in the video. Well, you have that 30 seconds to a minute, kind of like an elevator pitch. As an example, if you're in an elevator like your CEO or your big boss, someone famous, and you want to draw their attention, you have that 30 seconds to a minute in the elevator to get their attention. So market yourself. A couple seconds to get them engaged. That's what you want to do with your videos. I try to make my intro very interesting and I hope it's interesting. Yeah, it gets your viewers engaged with who you are and what your videos are about. Keeping your titles short and cute, making it exciting for the viewers and the subscribers to watch, right? You don't want a long title or a long credit that people would want to click through because it's not helping your duration. I did a small little clip it of my pictures, 10-15 seconds or so, and that's it. I know that people want to make like a long intro, like a minute-long intro. Some people don't want to watch that every single video. So I understand you want to make it cute, fancy with like a bunch of clips of your videos. Make sure that it's not super long where they want to click through the video and just skip that part. Marketing your video. So at the end of your videos, there's a thing called end screen that you can add where it's 20 seconds, the last part of your video. You can add in here, or you can put it here, or you can put it here and here, right? And then you can put your little logo right here. But yeah, adding your end screens just helps the viewers and helps yourself market your video more. Put another video right there where they can just click on and it's easy access for them. More convenient for your viewers, helps you with getting them to watch more of your videos. Creating playlists. I didn't understand why I had to create playlists before. Well, again, it's easy access for the viewers, right? They don't have to keep clicking and finding your videos. It's all there for them. If they want to binge watch all your videos, they can, and it'll keep on rolling and it'll keep on playing. It'll help your engagement. Write this down. Figuring out what your subscribers like to watch. Very important because you don't want to keep making videos that aren't getting as much attention as you think it is. I understand there's videos that are like, oh, this is really fun to make and how come I'm not getting a lot of views on it? Maybe your type of viewers are not interested in those type of videos. I mean, you can definitely continue doing it, but if your certain videos are getting more attention, getting more views than other ones, then why not make more of the ones that are getting attention? Again, you're a small YouTuber. You want to be able to make videos that people are interested in. That's why I'm doing another video about YouTube, because my last video that had tips about on being a small YouTuber, people really liked it. There was a lot of engagement on it. People said that it was helpful, so that's why I'm doing another video. Things like that. Figuring out what your subscribers like to watch and continue making videos similar to that same video that was getting a lot of engagement. I know. There's a lot of people that want to make 10-minute videos because once you get monetized, you can put more ads into that video. Your 10 to 20-minute video isn't that great. People are going to click through it anyways, and you're not going to get your watch time hours or get your durations in. What I'm trying to say is quality over quantity. I rather have a quality 6-minute video than a video that's 20 minutes talking about nothing interesting and people are just gonna click out of it anyways. My videos, I try to make it as interesting as possible. Yes, certain times I'm just like, dang, like that's not interesting. I wouldn't keep that part in there just so I can hit my 10-minute video. Quality over quantity. Just like in life, guys, you guys want a small group of friends that are genuine rather than 10 million friends that don't even know your last name, right? That's the type of subscribers you want. about people that come back and watch your videos and engage with you. The ones that are just asking you to sub them back because they subbed you. Why sometimes that you see your numbers super high or one day and then it shoots down like 5 next day. Just be careful on the sub for sub because it may hurt your channel. You're being genuine yourself as well as your subscribers being genuine with you. Alright guys, that's all the tips that I have for you. I hope that it's helpful for anyone. Just take the tips as what it is. I mean, I could be wrong in a lot of things, or you may think that I'm dumb and I don't know what I'm talking about, but I'm a small YouTuber. I'm taking you on the journey of what I'm learning so far, and if you have any tips for me, definitely leave them down below. I have my socials down at the description box. Make sure you hit me up there. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you thumbs up the video. If you haven't subscribed yet,
why haven't you?
Whoa. I have something to bring up to you guys because I noticed that a lot of you guys have not yet hit your bell notification. What's up with that? Yeah, I can see in my analytics. Make sure you hit that notification bell down below so you're notified of when I post a new video or I'm planning to go live a little bit more so you guys can interact with me, you know, like live, talk to each other. Notification bell down below so you know when I go live. I have a long way to go and I have a lot more to learn. So if you guys really like these type of videos, let me know. Have a wonderful day and I will see you guys next time. Bye!